In this video, we will teach you how to answer questions like this from the 2014 exam. Consider the following information about key health indicators for 3 developed countries: Australia, which has a life expectancy of 82 years and an under 5 mortality rate of 5 per 1,000 live births. Denmark's numbers are 79 and 4 respectively, and New Zealand's numbers are 81 and 6 respectively. Using data from this table, describe the health status of Australia compared to Denmark and New Zealand. But first, some background. In the previous videos, we have looked at how to use health status indicators to measure health status. We can also use these measures to compare the health status of various population groups. In this video, we will look at how to compare the health status of Australians to those in other developed countries. In general, Australia's health status stacks up quite well to other developed countries. It has the second highest Human Development Index in the world, a relatively high life expectancy, and relatively low mortality rates. But don't worry, you won't need to have all the data on how Australia compares to other developed countries, because VCA will provide you with all the information that you need to answer such a question. Let's take another look at that 2014 exam question. VCA have been pretty good to us here, providing figures for life expectancy, under 5 mortality rate, adult mortality, and maternal mortality. This makes it much easier to analyse the health status of the 3 countries listed: Australia, Denmark, and New Zealand. The question is worth 2 marks, which suggests that we need to make 2 distinct points. To do this, we could say something like this: the health status of Australia, Denmark, and New Zealand is on the whole fairly similar. Australia, 82 years, has a slightly higher life expectancy than New Zealand, 81, and Denmark, 79. That's 1 mark thus far. However, Denmark, 4, has a superior under 5 mortality rate per 1,000 live births than Australia, 5, and New Zealand, 6. And that's the other. The main thing to remember is to provide enough information to satisfy the number of allocated marks. So, if the question is worth 4 marks, give 4 pieces of information, and so on. Bye for now and happy studying.